morning, guys, and how are you doing? This morning we are going to be looking at word stress. We are going to divide the topic into two. So we'll be taking the introductory part today. In the class today, I would like that you should be able to define stress. I would want you to also be able to differentiate between primary and secondary stress. Then we apply the rules for stress placement to know stressed syllables. Okay? Quickly, let's look at definition for stress. Stress occurs when we exert some effort for the production of sounds. Now, putting sounds together, when we exert a particular force on a part of a word more than another one, is what we call stress. You know, words are made up of sounds. So, when it is done, syllables being produced longer. I want you to take note of, that's why I have emboldened this, longer and louder. When a syllable is produced longer and louder, it is said to be stressed. Okay, let's move on. Then, I want us to look at 5 features of understanding or knowing a stressed syllable. First is that the syllable is longer than other syllables in the word. That syllable is normally longer. 2, it is louder. It is louder. 3, it has a change in pitch from the other syllables. The pitch will change. Then 4, it is pronounced more clearly. In fact, we normally say in English language that syllable is purer than others. Lastly, the facial expression. If you are pronouncing it and you look at your face in the mirror, the expression will change. Now we are going to take it one after the other. We know we have one syllable word. Those words are called one syllable words, just one word. We have 2 syllable words that is called diasyllabic word. We have 3 or more syllable words that are called polysyllabic words. So for one syllable word, we know them also as monosyllabic words. All monosyllabic words are stressed because it only has one syllable. So there's nothing to compare it with. So all monosyllabic words are stressed. In this class today, we'll be looking at monosyllabic words and diasyllabic words. 1 syllable word and 2 syllable words. Okay? Do, the word do, 1 syllable word. Cock, 1 syllable word. Broom is a 1 syllable word. Dust, bake, etc. There are so many words that are 1 syllable. Now I want you to note that it is not the length of a word that makes it 1 or 2 syllable. You can see this word do is just 2 letters. It's not the length. See this word that has 5 letters. It's still 1 syllable because it's only 1 vowel sound. That is very important for you to know. It is the vowel sound in a word that makes it a syllable or less, not the consonant. You can have 1 letter word as a word, one letter as a word, like a boy, That is 1 syllable word, and it is a word. It's a letter and it's a word. Okay, let's meet up in the Google class and we'll talk about this more and look at diasyllabic words and how they are also stressed. Thank you. See you tomorrow.